them a imitate them something here. Them stink and them slimy. Them slimy and them smell bad. Me I tell you no, don't buy it.
Well guys, it's not just in Mandeville, Manchester these curry are, because I am in St. Elizabeth. I buy these curry in Santa Cruz, and these three here are the fake curry, and these three here are the real
wonderful
curry.
people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. People, we on our way to 30k subscriber, and we know we can do it by the end of May. Anyway, my people, without further ado, make we jump in here. The fake food them in Jamaica. Concern has been heightened about fake food circulating Jamaica. Plastic rice, plastic cabbage, fake saltfish, fake flour, and the latest fake curry where everybody loves so much for curry down there and goat, my people. Anyway, concerns about fake curry seized in Manchester, right? So from what I realize it has circulate where a lot of fake things are coming to the country. Who no make a big guess? Who for name align to all of them fake food there in a Jamaica? Who no listen to the story and who no pick sense out of nonsense. Alright? As me throw in my two little penny them in the mix as well. Make we go in right now, my people. As Jamaicans remain utterly dumbfounded at the news that counterfeit packages of a popular brand of local curry powder were seized in Manchester earlier this week, police are working with the official manufacturers to determine the ingredients in the fake packages. People, since of lately, we have a lot of fake stuff going around in Jamaica. And I mean fake food where people have to consume, where you go down in your belly and you don't know what go down in there. And sometimes when you see people with some unexplained illnesses in Jamaica sometimes, and because of the fake food them where some people can come in our country and are produce in our country. Imagine you cook rice and a plastic rice. Imagine you cook your flour will come like a powder. Imagine all your saltfish, all your fish come like a plastic fish. Your people, come on, we can go further and further. We can continue with the story. Anyway, the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTAC, of the Jamaica Constabulary Force conducted a raid on a supermarket in Mandeville, Manchester on Wednesday, and a large quantity of the counterfeit items were reportedly seized. From preliminary estimate, the goods are valued at approximately $3.2 million. Right? Listen me now. And this are the interesting part. And I am not going against any particular group. I am just reading what's in the report. But you remember when me say don't be surprised, because all will be revealed. You listen to the part you know. A Chinese national has reportedly been arrested in connection with the seizure. It is sad days for us because they have no care whatsoever about the human element. All they care about is making money, said Deputy Superintendent of Police Victor Barrett, the head of CTAC Intelligence Property Rights Unit. Because let me tell you something. You see in Jamaica, there are particularly group of people we run supermarket, we run restaurant, we run haberdashery, we run all different kind of liquor stores. And let me tell you something, people. If you have 100 supermarkets in a Jamaica, 95 of those supermarkets is owned by this particular group of people. And you see this group of people, them not care where them give people to consume. You know what me see what up on a video? Rat bite up the rice and the flour them in the supermarket storeroom. And this very particular type of group of people tell the people them nothing dash with the flour or the rice. Then if they just scrape off the top of it and sell it to the people them same way. Leptospirosis. You know how much people life and no children life that claim in Jamaica? You know how much people get sick from things where rat leave them deposit pan? Eh? You don't know how much things I don't know say anywhere rat name, rat piss, rat shit. And when you don't have them, your people, you tell the people them work, they say, don't dash with them, me goods them. Sell it to them same way when them come buy it. A people will work, they have to call the health authority for them come in, the health inspector them for them come in and lock down the place and take away everything. Guess what? They only care about the money. And this money is not even being spent in Jamaica. These people just make the money and take it gone elsewhere. Then we go anywhere and take up filth off of the ground and put it in a bag and mix it with something else and sell it to the Jamaican public. Because they don't care who gets sick or who pass away. They only care about the money going in their pockets. Remember when me tell you that? Anyway, make we move on. The counterfeit goods are not good for you, he indicated. In a follow-up interview, Barrett said the police are working closely with the genuine manufacturer of the brand, conduct tests on the fake curry in order to determine what is contained inside the product. That is the main thing. Nobody don't know what them are putting in here, give people for nyam. And them not drop the price. And that only certain type of people that do it. I don't know quite well who me and about. We don't really know, said the law enforcers relative to what is contained in the packets of the counterfeit curry. Barrett said the person behind the creation of the fake goods went ahead and trademarked that genuine brand. I don't want to call the name because you don't want people to disassociate with the genuine brand and then they might lose money, he explained. After trademarking the genuine brand, Barrett said the individuals packaged that brand with elements or components of curry. So a man buy that thinking they are buying the real brand, but really they don't know what's inside. And that is the dangerous part. While police and other stakeholders are working towards determining what is contained in the counterfeit packages, Jamaican and social media have been expressing serious concern about the development. From what they may buy the curry and the meat white and it not look like original curry when we used to, said that woman on Instagram. And a chuka, one thing if Jamaican don't know nothing, Jamaican know them curry and them browning. Remember me tell you that? From what the curry nah curry, said another woman who seemingly sought to make light of the serious situation. A woman agreed, adding, bought some curry the other day and me tell you, it bitter and sick my stomach. And next thing, I them a curry, one time them curry their yard, you know. Me can tell you, you know, that particular brand, you know. When you put that on your meat, it stain all your hand, you know. But it come like them a counterfeit one, yeah? You have to use all 5 bag of them, you have to catch little color on your meat. Your meat white like a snow when you cook that and a curry you say you cook. Make we move on. Open the man. Me not think the curry fake. It just a counterfeit packaging. Said another man. I am more concerned about the health risks involved. It is widespread, meaning is the alleged fake curry being passed off as the genuine product in supermarkets in Jamaica? It could well be. It could well be. Meanwhile, a woman expressed hope that the relevant authorities will move speedily to determine what is contained in the package of counterfeit items. The police need to move urgently on this one and test it. People health at risk, you know, man, she added. But me people, this is the main thing. As me tell you now, if you have 100 supermarket in Jamaica, 95 or 96 is owned by a particular group of people. And these group of people are closely netted. So them share products. So if it a sell fake in a one supermarket, me guarantee say they in the other 95 them. And them same set of people. Remember me tell you that because them always do things together. Let me tell you this, man. You see money, them tell you all the while is the root of all evil. And some people will do anything to get money. It cares who is at risk, cares who get hurt. It no matter. And as me say, this is why you see a lot of people with certain illness right now, where many people can't explain. Because this could be all kind of things that go in them products here. I have seen videos where even bottled waters, the man them buy back the bottle them for recycle and got a regular pipe go full up the bottle them with water and seal them back up and sell them in a them supermarket as original bottled water. Remember when me tell you that. You got a restaurant, you buy, you think you yam chicken, you think you yam pork, you think you yam beef. Go to your surprise. A donkey yam, a dog yam, all a cat yam, all different kind of thing. And sometimes when people are walk the bush and reach a some dump and see the remain of these animals, them realize that these set of people, this is what they are giving people in some of the restaurants to consume. Me people, who no careful where you no name and put things down in your belly. Cause one thing me always learn. Once you put it down in your belly, right there so it there, and eat that. So, you no pick and choose where you no name, who you no name from. Pick and choose where you no buy, and who you no buy from. Remember J Progress telling you that. One J Progress Entertainment, me people. Remember good no man, you don't have to ask nobody nothing, and nobody not have to tell you nothing. One J Progress Entertainment. Me people, tell a friend and share it right across the globe. We on our way to 30k subscribers, me people.